Aasalamualaikum guys. In this video we are learning about the Boolean Literals demonstration. As I teach you earlier that what is Boolean Literals, you want to learn Boolean Literals, you have to watch my previous video named as what is Boolean Literals. And if you want to learn demonstration, please don't skip this video because the demonstration is more important rather than the theoretical part. But I consider both as the same way. If you want from the theoretical part, then you have to execute it in the demonstration. You have to implement it in the program. You're learning the coding. So the demonstration of Boolean literals are. So to shortly define the Boolean literals, I want to say that a Boolean literal can have either of the two values because either true or false. That's how the Boolean literal works. So I wanted to bring here bool bool underscore one equals to true. Let's say true. For example, for my convenience, true. Okay. Let's say bool underscore two. A bool underscore one is a variable which is true, and bool underscore two is a variable which is going to be false. It is also a false value. Let's say for my convenience. So I just wanted to print here print Boolean value in the one k comma bool underscore one. Okay, it is true. We already know that because what is I already declared that is bool one is true. This is also that is the same thing printed in the output itself. So I wanted to implement as the same thing. Boolean value to let's see what would be comma bool underscore 2, it is false as I declared earlier. So here's how you implement. So I want to implement again guys. I want p equals to true. Let's say true. This is case sensitive because it has to be in a sensitive manner. P equals to 2. So print p, it will be printed as true because we are not defining in the quotation the true value is. It is how the work of the Boolean literal, either true or false. So it is already inbuilt in the interpreter, the Boolean literals. So thank you guys for watching this video. Thank you so much. Be subscribe my channel, and also don't be forgotten to share this channel. Subscribe, share, like, comment. Thank you so much.